You is about Peregrino Sinis time, place value, and subtraction of time. Peregrino Sinis time, place value, and subtraction of time. The Peregrino Sinis time, future chronograph, metric time. In the Peregrino Sinis time, the 1 full D is 20 per hours. Okay. 1 full D is 20 per hours. Then 100 periseconds is 1 per minute. And 100 periminutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 periminute is composed of 100 perisecond. And 1 peri-hour is composed of 100 peri-minutes. Again, the full D. The full D of Peregrino Sinis time, 1 full D is 20 peri-hours, 1 full D is 2,000 peri-minutes, and 1 full D is 200,000 peri-seconds. Time equivalent. Peregrino Sinis time to standard time. 1 peri-hour Sinis time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 peri-minute Sinis time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 perisecond is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So, here is the clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. The 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. The 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminute. The 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. The 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. And the 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60, 7 is 70, 8 is 80, 9 is 90, and 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 peri-Sinis time. So, 6:44:17 Sinis time. 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 17 peri-seconds. So, Peregrino Sinis time, place value. 1 is tens of peri-hours, 2 is ones of peri-hours, and 3 is tens of peri-minute, and 4 is ones of peri-minute, and 5 is tens of peri-seconds, and 6 is ones of peri-seconds, and 7 is hundreds of milli-perisecond, and 8 is tens of milli-periseconds, and 9 is ones of milli-periseconds. The time is 12 peri-hours, 34 peri-minutes, 56 peri-seconds, and 789 milli-periseconds. So, Sinis time, please value in decimal form. 1 is tens of peri-hours. 2 is ones of peri-hours, then decimal point. Then 3 is tens of peri-minute. and 4 is ones of periminute, and 5 is tens of periseconds, and 6 is ones of periseconds, and 7 is hundreds of milliperiseconds, and 8 is tens of milliperiseconds, and 9 is ones of periseconds, and the time is 12.3456789 peri-hours. So, vertical position. Place value and vertical position. So, 1 is tens of peri-hour, 2 is ones of peri-hour, then point, decimal point. Then 3 is tens of peri-minute, and 4 is ones of peri-minute, 5 is tens of perisecond, 6 is ones of perisecond, and 7 is hundred of milliperisecond, and 8 is tens of milliperisecond, and 9 is ones of milliperiseconds. So, subtraction of time. Subtraction of time. Subtraction of Peregrino Sinis times manually. 9 peri-hour, 75 peri-minutes, 92 peri-seconds, 852 milliperiseconds, minus 5 peri-hour, 42 peri-minutes, 71 peri-seconds, and 431 milliperiseconds. And the difference is 4 peri-hours, 33 peri-minutes, 21 peri-seconds, and 421 milliperiseconds. Okay. Subtraction of Sinis time by using a calculator in decimal form, no? Ito ang lalabas pag gagamit ka ng calculator. Decimal form. Decimal per minute, decimal per seconds. Okay. Subtraction of Sinis time. 9.7592852 peri-hours minus 5.4271431 peri-hours is equal to 4.3321421 peri-hours, or 4 peri-hours, 33 peri-minute, 21 peri-seconds, and 421 milliperiseconds. So, that's all, and thank you so much.